Hello everyone, this is Coach Jojo IFBB Pro. Today we're going to talk about the 5 reasons that you are not losing weight. Make sure you watch this video until to the end because at the end I'm going to give you one more extra tips and also a free gift for you. So make sure you don't miss the last part. Alright, at the meantime I want you to go and click the subscribe button and like this video. Mistake number 1 is not having a specific goal in mind. Now, this is the very common mistake a lot of people going to make before they start their fitness journey. All you're thinking about is, I want to lose weight. But you need to be very specific. How many kg you want to lose? There's going to be a huge difference between 2 kg and 10 kg. And also don't forget about the time frame. You need to set a time frame. Either you want a short time frame or a longer time frame. That is going to change your entire fitness program. Other than that, a very good advice is also think about what is the body type that you want to achieve. Because some people might want to look a bit curvy, they just want to look a little bit healthier, and that's it, they are happy. Some people want to look muscular, and some people want to look skinny and softer kind of look. That's going to change the entire program also. And just give you an example, having a 6-pack or having just 2 lines at your abs, just such a simple detail, your program is going to change accordingly. Mistake number 2 is you are only doing cardio for your weight loss. Now you might be asking me, but cardio is the best exercise to lose weight, isn't it? I agree with you, cardio is one of the best exercise to lose weight. But unfortunately, our body have a system to adapt to your cardiovascular activities. Now, for example, if you keep exercising for a long period of time, you start to lose weight, and then after that, you just went stagnant. Your weight won't drop anymore. So you're asking me why? Because your body adapts to it. So how you can continue losing weight is you need to increase your intensity or you need to prolong your exercise. So for example, if you exercise for 30 minutes, you run for 30 minutes every day, now you need to run for 45 minutes or 1 hour every day to be able to continue to lose more weight. Alright? Now, there's also a better way. I would suggest a better way for you to lose weight is to do weight training. Now, why weight training? A lot of people say, but I don't want to have big, huge muscle. Now, you are not going to get those big, huge muscles if you're not doing, you're not taking drugs. Alright? So you're not going to get that. But what does the weight training do to your body is it increases your muscles. Alright? So when your muscles is bigger, slightly bigger, your muscles are able to help you burn fats. So if you are able to incorporate weight training in your program, that is going to help you to lose weight much faster. And you look better too. You look firmer instead of losing you look skinny and soft. What we call it as a skinny fat. Mistake number 3 is going for a very strict diet and then you fail. And then you repeat and then you fail. Now that is called a yo-yo diet. Okay, let me explain to you again what is a yo-yo diet. So, for example, you're eating normal, okay, you're eating high calorie, but then now, okay, I feel like I'm getting a little bit overweight, so I'm going to go on diet. I only eat salad. So you lower your calorie intake. Oh, you lose some weight. So now I want to go back to normal because I cannot eat salad every day. So you eat like normal. Your weight shoots up. And then again, oh no, I'm gaining weight again. So I should go on diet again. And then, but I don't like my life, and they go up again. So this continuous going up and down is called a yo-yo diet. Now yo-yo diet is very, very bad for your metabolism, for your whole body system. So therefore you will see that you lose weight and then you gain weight again very fast, and there's a lot of times that you gain more than before you start the diet. Okay, so stop doing a yo-yo diet. Okay, understand what you are eating, not going into a strict crazy salad diet or intermittent fasting or whatsoever. So make sure you know what you are doing. Never ever go into some crazy strict diet. Mistake number 5 is you are having a very stressful life. Now, when you are very stressed, it's the same like you're sleeping. You're going to create a stress hormone in your body. Now, this stress hormone is really your enemy. It will help your body to store fat. It's like somehow telling you that you are in a survival mode. You always want to go out and fight. Just think about our ancestor, right? During those times when they have to go for hunting or whatever, when they stress means, you know, they are starving, they are probably going for hunting for a fight or war or something like that. They might not get enough food. So the body wants to store fat in your body so that you can survive. So make sure you keep your stress level very, very low if you want to lose weight. So we are almost coming to an end of this video. So I will tell you my last tips. The last mistake people make during their fitness journey is not having a good plan. Alright, so a lot of people just think, okay, I want to lose weight. They just start, they don't know what they are doing. Therefore, they're not able to achieve their goal. So having a very good plan is very, very important. From the start to the beginning, from your setting a goal, setting an exercise plan, setting a nutrition plan, identify your sleep, and then your stress hormone level, and your water, your supplements. There's a lot of things that come into account when you want to have a good weight loss plan for yourself. Unfortunately, I know a lot of people do not have the knowledge to do so. Because even for me, I spent years and years and years to learn the science behind training, nutrition, human psychology, hormones, supplements, and all this stuff so that I can give the best result for my clients. So I promised before that I'm going to give you a free gift. Yes, I am giving you free consultation, one-to-one online consultation with me. So if you're interested, go down at the link below and then subscribe, okay? All you need to do is just register yourself, okay? Just set up a day and time for the appointment. It's very, very simple, all right? It's very, very loud thunderstorm outside. But anyway, I'm going to tell you this is 100% free. Okay, there's no obligations. So this is time that when you can come and talk to me and tell me what is the problems that you are facing. Whether you are starting a fitness journey or you are stuck halfway, you don't know what to do anymore, come and talk to me. All I want to do is just to help everyone. Alright, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel, also like this video and share it to all your friends so that you can make sure they don't make the same mistake and make sure they schedule an appointment with me. Alright, so thank you very much for watching today. I hope you like this video and I will see you again very soon.